Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Sricam IP camera not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. Now Sricam cameras are very sensitive to the network type and setup process. So small mistakes can cause the connection failure. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to make sure that you use the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi only network. So this is most important step that you need to take. So Sricam cameras do not support the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So make sure that your router has 2.4 gigahertz enabled and you connect to the correct network name. Now, if you already tried connecting and failed, you can just simply reset it first. For that, you just have to press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Afterwards, simply wait for the camera to restart. This particular step is going to clear all of the old settings. Now during the setups, you need to keep your camera, phone and the router all close together. And this particular step is going to help the application detect the camera easily and complete the pairing. Now when you're adding the camera to the application, enter the exact Wi-Fi password and avoid any spaces or wrong characters. Also make sure that your Wi-Fi name does not have any special symbols as some of the cameras can't read them properly. Now if normal setup fails, you can try the AP mode as well. So in it, you need to connect your phone to the camera's temporary Wi-Fi, then go back to the app and complete the setup. This method works better in many cases. So make sure that your router is not blocking the camera. So you need to disable the MAC filtering. You need to turn off the AP isolation and you need to use the standard security like WP82. So the strict settings can stop the camera from connecting. So you can try all of these fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.